Hi viewer, today I would like to show you all how to get transparent colors on Snapchat. Let's have a look. First, open Snapchat app, or you can upload photos or videos from camera roll. Select any photo or video from camera roll, then tap edit button on bottom left. Tap pencil icon at the top right. Here you will see a vertical color slider and 3 circles with colors. Tap the 3 circle icon until you see it become transparent. Now draw on the post. Choose a different color using the vertical slider. That's it. These are the steps to get transparent colors on Snapchat. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.